So identities are just like formulae, the way you have area equal to length into breadth, or volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Similarly, identities also basically help you. They're like formulae for expanding, squares or cubes or particular type of multiplications that you have for algebra. Okay. So you can use the identities for making, like, finding out the square and cubes of like normal numbers also. Like if you want to find out the square of 105, you can use identities. Like, you don't have to do a very complicated multiplication. You can do it like in a very easy way. Okay. So these are the identities that you have right now in your syllabus. First three of them you all must be very, very familiar with. So expansion of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is not equal to a square plus b square. So just be careful about that. Okay. So a square, a minus b whole square is the same thing, just that this becomes minus 2ab. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. I want you guys to just note down all of these identities now, okay? So you'll need to memorize all of these identities. It may seem a little difficult, but if you look at it logically, like, I'll be taking you guys one by one. So first note it down, and then I'll take up each one on the whiteboard again. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them. There's a couple more also. Just note down these 9, and then I'll show the other ones. Come on, Swayam, Sujal. Hi, Swayam. Good afternoon. I have not seen you today. Where are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Video क्या हुआ? Come on, Swayam, switch on your video. Where are you? Hello, good afternoon, Suhani. Suhani, are you there?
Hello, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm late because there was an issue with the system.
Okay. All fine now? All good?
Yes, it's good now.
Stable? Okay.
What were we doing?
Hmm?
What were we doing?
Oh, so I just started with algebraic identities. So before I take up each of them, note down all the identities first in your book.
Okay.
Make a note of that. So let me know once you're done. Either you can post it in the chat, or you can like react with a thumbs up. Either way. Okay. Sujal's already done. No, that was fast. Okay. Noted all 9 of them, Sujal? Okay, the cube ones are left. Do it. Swayam done. Okay, all 9 of them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, revise them like until the time rest of them are done. Revise all of them. Study them. Ashka is also done. Okay, Sujal is also done. So Suhani and Samriti. Okay, Suhani, you started a while ago. So
No, ma'am, I've written all the 9. All
all
the
of them
9
done?
identities.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, go through them. So once Suhani is done, I'll continue. So once you're like go through them and mark the ones that you feel are like really difficult. Sujal, Swayam, are you guys there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm revising. Like,
Swayam, where is
Yeah.
your video?
ma'am, today my internet is low, that's why.
Arey, her rows like you have the same thing going on. Again, even yesterday, even Sujal's internet was bad, but he kept coming in, right? So switch it on. Agar kuch issue ho raha hai, then we'll see what to do. Tab tak switch it on. Hmm. Are any of you in the same class as Aryan Rajesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashka is okay. So are you in like touch with him?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So yesterday they said that they were shifting houses, so he couldn't attend class. Today also is not here. Is he attending school?
Should I call him? Ma'am, we
Oh,
don't have
is
school.
not
We
there. Right,
just had-
right, right. Sorry, forgot.
Yeah.
It's
Ma'am, should
okay.
I call him?
That's okay. Not right now. Suhani is also done, so we'll resume with this. I have pinged him. I just figured if in case you have any idea. Okay. All right. So amongst all these identities, which one did you feel was difficult? Which do you think you'll have difficulty in remembering, due to confusion or due to anything?
Ma'am, the 7th one, I guess, because it's too lengthy.
Okay. A minus B whole cube. अच्छा इसमें दो expressions है, so यहाँ तक एक है and that is also equal to this. Okay. Sujal also said the same thing. A minus B whole cube difficult. Somebody like
Yeah,
man,
then I think is the 7th one.
guys, if the 6th one, A plus B whole cube, if you feel it's easy, then A minus B whole cube follows the same pattern. So अगर difficulty है तो दोनों में होना चाहिए.
Yeah,
Why is
both.
it, okay, Ashka is saying 5th one. So this one, acha, 3 terms ka this thing. Okay, Sujal's also saying 5th one. Okay, So we'll pick up each one by one. After 20 minutes, you're going to feel like, oh, this is all very, very easy. You won't feel any difficulty at all. All right, let's revise all the identities, okay? So the first one was a plus b whole square. Isko expand karo, Samriddhi.
Yes, ma'am. A square
Hmm.
plus 2ab plus b square.
Plus b square. Simple, straightforward. And you guys have been doing sums also based on these identities, right? The first few. A minus b whole square. Suhani?
A square minus 2ab plus
Yes.
b square
Okay.
is equal to
So this is another way of writing it. Okay.
a plus b bracket square minus 4ab.
Okay. All right. So because you mentioned this, do you know how we get this? Like, okay, this part is pretty easy. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Square ka matlab, you just expand it. You just multiply a plus b into a plus b. And you open the brackets, you eventually get this. So a into a is a square. Then a into b is ab. Similarly, b into a is ab. Isliye 2ab. And b into b is b square. Aise aa gaya. Do you know how you get this part of the expression, the equation? Where is this coming from? Does it make sense? No? Just look at it, think about it. A plus b whole square आ रहा है. तो पहले वाले आइडेंटिटी से कुछ रिलेशन है क्या?
Ma'am, like the first identity, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the second one, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square, you add 2ab and then get minus 4ab.
When you add 2ab, will you get 4ab or do you have to subtract 2ab?
Yeah, we have to subtract.
Subtract 2ab.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, absolutely. Your intent was right. Just use the right words, okay? Otherwise, exam mein galti ho sakti hai. So if I start off with, I'll write it on the right hand side. Left side, I'll keep it for identities. So if I start off with a square plus 2ab plus b square, and if I want to make this minus the plus 2ab that's there, if I want to make it minus 2ab, what do I do? So plus 2ab ko extra, if I subtract minus 4ab, what will I get?
Minus
Minus
2ab.
Plus 2 minus 4, you'll get minus 2ab plus b square. So basically, this part, what does it look like? What can I write this part as? What identity does it look like?
A plus b whole square.
Yes. So a plus b whole square, say, if I subtract minus 4ab, I'm getting, now what does this look like? What identity does this look like?
A
a minus
whole
b whole square.
A minus b the whole square.
Yes. So that's where you're getting this part of the equation from. So this is all equality, like identities you have to use, like think of it as a toolbox. You have to learn them so that, you know, when you come across a similar situation in the problems, you can use them. So there'll be some problems where you'll use like direct expansion of this, like it is of the form 100 minus 5 the whole square. Like if you want to figure out what is 95 ka square. And there will be some cases where, you know, your given problem will be of this format, and then you know what a plus b square is, and you need to find out what a minus b is. Then you can, you know, use this format to get the relation between both. Okay, so that's the reason it is given like this because it's good if you're aware of it because you'll use it in different ways. All right, coming to the next one. A plus B into A minus B will be equal to Ashka.
A square minus B square.
A square minus B square, yes. Next, so these are like the basic identities you're aware of. Now coming to the big one. What if you have three different terms, A plus B plus C the whole square? So now, iska expansion is just like A plus B whole square. So A plus B whole square mein, you've got A ka square, B ka square, and then you've got a 2AB in them. So similarly, instead of 2, if you have three terms, then you have A square plus B square plus C square, har ek term ka square. So in place of 2AB, in this case, you'll have plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Okay. So that's all it is. Pretty simple. If you know A plus B ka square, A plus B plus C the whole square is the exact same thing, just that you have some extras. So because you have a third term, uska bhi square aa jayega. And in addition, A plus B mein you have a 2AB term you have to consider, right? So here also it's the same pattern. So 2AB, 2BC, 2AC. So AB mila ke ek bar, BC mila ke ek bar, and A and C mila ke ek bar. That's all it is. And this particular identity, you have variations of it. What if I have, let's say, x plus y minus z ka square? Then how will this change? Sujal, can you work this out? Instead of all three positive, my third term became negative. So ये कैसे change हो जाएगा? The other side.
Ma'am, so x square plus y square minus z square.
यहाँ पे c square है ना? c की
Yes,
जगह minus z है. तो अगर minus z को square करो
Okay, ma'am.
तो
Square किया तो plus c square plus z square.
yes, हमेशा wherever you have the square, that will become positive. इसलिए even in a minus b का square, minus b squared, इसलिए यहाँ पे plus b square term आया. ठीक है? All right. Then continue.
Plus 2xy
2xy, yes.
plus yz.
2 किधर गया? So उसके बाद 2bc
2yz. Yes, ma'am. 2yz.
तो is it plus or is it minus? So 2bc है ना? So that's essentially 2 into b की जगह I've got my y and c
Y.
की जगह I've got minus z.
Minus z.
So if you
Okay,
multiply,
so minus.
हाँ, minus 2yz हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. And the last term,
Again minus x z.
correct, 2xz. Don't forget about
2xz.
the 2. Yeah. So that's how you figure out identities. This is the basic thing. If you remember the basic thing, pretty easy. It's a square, b square, c square. Then 2 times a into b, 2 times b into c, and 2 times a into c. But if you have variations, right, you need to take care of the signs. Okay. So x and y are positive. So xy is like whenever something is squared, the negative becomes positive. Otherwise, yeah, like you're multiplying z only once, so y into minus z hoga, so that particular term will be negative. Kind of like that. Okay. So similarly, if y is negative, then this whole thing will change based on that. So wherever you have y, those particular parts will be negative. Y square will be positive because negative into negative, positive value. Yeah. All right, here's another question. Swayam, you answer this one. What if I have x minus y minus z the whole square. The rest of you can work this out in your book. You can send it to me if you want, either on WhatsApp or in the Zoom chat. Swayam, you tell me, like, yeah, you tell how to expand this. Yes, Swayam. माइक का कुछ इश्यू है शायद, not able to hear you properly. Very nice. Sujal's already solved it. Absolutely right. Got it. Swayam, where are you? What happened? Say it. Say it, Swayam. Your turn to speak the answer. Samriddhi, you need to check your signs. What happened? Swayam? No, not able to hear you, Swayam. इंटरनेट ने मे बी कुछ कनेक्शन इश्यू है, जस्ट रीलोड और मे बी लाइक डिस्कनेक्ट एंड रिकनेक्ट अगर हेडफोन्स यूज कर रहे हो तो, या फिर लाइक जस्ट चेक हेडफोन्स ठीक से कनेक्ट हुआ कि नहीं. दैट आल्सो प्लेस अ पार्ट. Figure it out, okay? In the meantime, you can send your answer over chat. And Suhani, so can you expand this?
X square
Yes.
plus y square
Yes.
plus z square
Yes.
minus 2xy
Very good. Correct.
plus 2yz
Yes.
minus 2xz.
Minus 2xi. Correct. Absolutely right. Yeah. So Samriddhi, yeah, you have corrected it. Ashka, you sent the right answer. Swayam, what happened? Are you figuring it out? Kya hua? Where are you at? No, Swayam, still can't hear you. Just reload now, like off the, like just disconnect and reconnect. Yeah.
Hello,
Yeah, rejoin Swayam. Hi Aryan. How's it
yes,
going?
ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I joined late because I was shifting.
You were, what happened? Shifting.
Ma'am,
Oh,
yesterday,
yeah, yesterday you didn't. Yeah, your father had mentioned, your father or your mother, like your parent had mentioned. Are you all
Yes,
settled
ma'am.
now? All proper?
Yes, ma'am. No, everything not proper. Just we just have to set up everything. So it took time
No,
for
it'll
me to
take
set up
time.
my internet.
Acha.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay. No, I meant in the sense like, abhi, are you like sat down, settled, all comfortable?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ठीक है. And बाकी लोग, Suhani, Ashka,
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Swayam, yes, you're back. I can hear you.
Yeah, thank God. I was like, ma'am, can you hear me? I was like repeating it, but I don't know why couldn't you hear me? I could hear you like properly.
No, like mic का connection का ही कुछ issue होगा शायद, or maybe it was picking up laptop mic versus headphones mic, or you know ऐसा कुछ issue हो सकता है hardware.
Maybe, I don't know. So ma'am, can I say the answer?
अभी लिख लिया ना, like just check if you got it right, if you got it different.
Yeah, it's right.
Right.
X square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2xy.
Yes.
Minus 2xz.
Absolutely. नहीं,
Yeah.
ठीक है. So now sorted a अगर 3 terms है और उसका square निकाल रहा है तो that's the pattern. So हर एक term का square आएगा
Yes,
and then
ma'am.
2 times of AB, BC, AC. That's it. All right. Then
Okay. ma'am.
coming to the next part. Wow. All right. What else do you guys have? इसके बाद cube, right? Coming to okay, A plus B, the whole cube. So once you get a hang of squares, cubes is similar, just that cube is like one above square, right? Like one multiplication more than what you have in the square.
Yes,
So that's
ma'am.
what it reflects here. So iska expansion will be A cube plus B cube. यहाँ तक squares के साथ it's very similar. Squares में you've got A square and B square. यहाँ पे भी A cube and B cube आएगा. Now square के case में you've got plus 2AB. Cube के place में you'll get plus 3.
3AB.
AB नहीं होगा. Now because it is being cubed, 3 बार multiply हो रहे हैं ना. So you'll have 3A square B and you'll have 3AB square. Clear? So if you look at
Ma'am,
the
ma'am,
Hmm?
in the identities it's written A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in brackets A plus B.
Yeah, so that is another way of writing it. So this is like the complete expansion. Another way of writing how you get that is A cube plus B cube is, whatever you have earlier, the same thing. A cube plus B cube will remain as it is. Then 3A square B, 3AB square में से 3 is common, A is common, B is also common. So if I take 3AB common from both of these, if I take 3AB common, तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा?
Yeah, I got it, ma'am. A plus B.
हाँ, like यहाँ पे A square में से एक A निकाल दिया, so the other A will remain. And यहाँ पे B square में से एक B निकाल दिया, तो the other B will remain here. 3AB into A plus B. Yeah. Simple. A plus B whole cube. Just like A plus B whole square, you start off with A cube plus B cube. Now because this is cube, you get 3 over here. So 3AB instead of 2AB. And because this is cube, you have like an extra bit, which is A plus B. So on expanding this, another way of writing it is if you multiply 3AB by A, you get 3A square B, and multiply 3AB by B, you get 3AB square. That's all it is. Simple, like better understood. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now इसका ही दूसरा variation A plus B जैसे, फिर now take A minus B and cube it. Now can you guys figure it out what A minus B whole cube will be? So you can say
Ma'am, it
this
would be
based on this only. Yeah, go ahead, Swayam.
Ma'am, it would be A cube minus B cube
Yes.
minus 3AB. Just like, I guess it's just replacing the plus to minus.
Correct. So जहाँ भी B आ रहा है ना, replace it with minus B. So minus B का अगर square करो तो वो positive हो जाएगा because minus into minus is plus. तो minus B को cube करो तो will you get a positive B cube or negative B cube?
Negative.
Negative.
हाँ, negative B cube. So 3A square B, will this be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So minus 3A square B. And 3AB square will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive. Very good. 3AB square. And इसका दूसरा format अगर इसमें देखो तो it's a straightforward replacement. All of this will become negative. So a cube will be positive, but b cube will be negative. Then यहाँ पे single b is there, so this will be minus 3ab, and inside will be a minus b. Clear? Okay, now what other identities do we have? Huh. Just like a square minus b square, okay, you have uska counterpart, right? A cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So a cube plus b cube. So in this case, इसका factorization होगा, क्योंकि एक expression का दो factors निकाल रहे हैं. So what will be the identity for this?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Into bracket a plus b,
A plus b into, okay,
bracket close, next bracket a square plus b square minus ab
very good. A square plus b square minus a.
minus ab.
So how to remember this identity easily is simple. A cube plus b cube, अगर cube लाना है, so you have to multiply a by a square and b by b square. So if I just do a plus b into a square plus b square, you have like these other bits, right? A into b square आएगा, b into a square आएगा. So you need to take away all of those. उसको cancel करना पड़ेगा. So that's the reason you get minus ab. So a cube plus b cube चाहिए, तो ab का term minus रहेगा, everything else will be positive. So similarly, if I were to do a cube minus b cube, Ashka, can you give me the expansion for this?
Yes, ma'am. A minus b,
A minus b, yes.
and then another bracket a square plus b square
Yes, a square plus b square.
plus ab.
Yes, plus ab रहेगा.
Yeah.
Okay. Two ways to look at it. One is यहाँ पे plus b में जो है, all of that will get negative. Another way to look at it is because you already have minus b over here. अगर minus को cancel करना है तो plus ab चाहिए होगा, opposite signs. So minus b cube के लिए ab term will be plus, plus b cube के लिए ab term will be minus. Easy way of remembering it. ठीक है? And Sujal, you were mentioning one more identity, right? Like if we have x plus a into x plus b. Yeah. What would be the product of this?
Ma'am, can I?
X.
Wait, Sujal, go ahead.
X square plus a plus b into bracket x plus ab.
Yes, x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Does this remind you guys of something else that you studied yesterday? What does this look like?
Ma'am, splitting of middle terms, I guess.
Oh, nice. Good stuff, Samriti. See, that's exactly what we did, right? Splitting of middle term. So starting ending product jo hai, whatever we split the middle term, in this case, a plus bx can be split into ax and bx. So that should be equal to product of what you have, like a into b into x square. So it all ties back, like your splitting of middle term is basically kind of like an application of this particular identity. Yeah. So there you have it. These are most of the identities. So just revise it, go through it again. I'll see. I think there's like a couple more that we haven't done. Still, if you guys have difficulty remembering or something like that, let me know. We'll discuss that. But otherwise, yeah, go through it once, see if it's become easier, and then we'll move on to the next one. Aryan, how's it going? Like, were you able to catch the recording of yesterday's class, or were you
No,
busy?
ma'am, it was in that link, right, in the
Mm,
group description.
mm,
The
the
recording. Yeah,
playlist.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I couldn't catch it because I
You're
was.
busy with stuff. Yeah, shifting takes some time.
Yeah.
But are you able to follow this?
No, ma'am. Swayam told me that he'll give the notes, so
Okay.
I'm okay.
Okay. Cool. So let me know if you're like not understanding any part, if you're stuck anywhere or anything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
अच्छा, तो अभी के लिए go through the identities. If you've noted down अभी जो लिखा है हमने, go through them one by one. आज पूरा concept identities पे ही रहेगा, so you guys need to practice this. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, Ashka, Suhani, Sujal,
Yes, ma'am.
Swayam. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Videos क्या हुआ? Come on, videos. We are not going forward without your videos, you guys. Come, Aryan, Swayam, and Sujal's here already. Rains है ना? Again, this policy will stand throughout. Like, come on video. अगर grainy हो रहा है, अगर stuck हो रहा है, तो we'll give it a rest for some time, but be on video as much as possible. Swayam's also here. Aryan, where are you? Okay, so we're done with all of the identities. Okay, last two identities are there. In दोनों में से this one you will rarely ever use. Like, I have not come across so many problems, maybe one or two problems using this identity. But this one you get a lot of questions based on a variation of this identity. So note this down in your book. 9 तक वहां पे हो गया ना? So identity number 10, note this down. Once you're done noting this down, I'll give you a variation of this. So finish noting this down. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So when you're writing it down, observe pattern kya hai. It'll help you remember better. Okay, so Hani's already done. So when you're memorizing, no, don't just like blindly ratify. See if there's like a pattern or what is the logic behind it. This applies to your definition also. See if you understand it. So that way you only have to remember the key phrases. Uske baad, how you construct the sentence around it, like you can do it in a way that it makes sense, but your understanding that logic needs to be there. And when you have to blindly memorize like identities and all, see if there's like a pattern behind it. Abhi holidays hai na, so what you can do with the identities is you can play around with them. Make one of the terms negative, see how it changes. You can verify them, like ऐसे multiplication based hai, to actually do the multiplication step by step, see if you get the LHS from the RHS. You know, play around with them. The more you use them, the better you'll remember. Okay, so Hani's already done. Rest of you also let me know once you're done.
Ma'am, do we have to write the last
Done, ma'am.
identity as well?
Last, yeah, you can note it down. It'll be there. At least you'll write down, you'll remember it. Okay. But leave some gap after the 10th one, because I'll give you a variation of it, so you can write it down in the gap. Chota sa gap, like just one line. So दोनों के बीच में leave a gap sufficient for like one identity, like one line. Done? Okay, no, noting. I think Samriddhi is done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Swayam is also done. Suhani is done. Ashka is still noting. Sujal is
Ma'am, I'm
also
done.
okay. Aryan, what about you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm still noting now.
Still noting. Okay. Okay. So variation of the 10th one. So you'll get more questions on like this variation of the identity than, you know, like actual identity itself. So tell you what happens. Okay. So you guys note this down below the 10th one. So if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then, okay,
Ma'am, can you repeat, please?
yeah. So if A plus B plus C is equal to 0,
Ma'am.
if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then what do you think will happen? Like if you apply A plus B plus C equal to 0, RHS of that identity का value क्या होगा?
Ma'am, 0.
0.
Right? मतलब LHS में क्या है?
LHS is AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC.
Yeah, this particular expression will basically become equal to RHS A plus B plus C is 0, so 0 into anything is 0. So this whole thing will be equal to 0. इसका मतलब ये है कि if I rearrange it, then what will be the value of A cube plus B cube plus C cube? What will it be equal to?
If the value is 0.
Huh. If A plus B plus C is 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube will be equal to
0.
0 कैसे? यहाँ पे -3ABC है ना? इसका क्या हो गया?
Yeah.
Ma'am, but we
But
multiply
yeah,
-3 into 0 only, so it will become
Yeah,
0.
that's what.
-3 into ABC है. What is equal to 0 is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is not the same as A into B into C. Right?
Okay. But we are talking of the formula, the 10th formula, right?
Yeah.
So ma'am, what is exactly the question over here?
So A plus B plus C is given as 0. ठीक है? हाँ. So A plus B plus C is given as 0. Then according to that identity, A plus B plus A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC will be equal to 0.
Yes,
So I am asking you simply A cube plus B cube plus C cube का value क्या होगा? बस इसको arrange करना पड़ेगा. Just rearrange this equation that you have. I'm asking you only about this portion. So have this on the LHS. So RHS में what do you have? What is this part equal to then?
It's equal to 0.
0 कैसे?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
because
it's
we
0,
don't have
ma'am.
What
-3
happened to
ABC
this part?
in our LHS. Ma'am, but we don't have that in our LHS.
तो फिर ऑटोमेटिकली 0 नहीं होगा ना? अगर ये LHS में नहीं है तो कहीं पे तो होना चाहिए ना? So if I
Ma'am,
take this to
but
RHS,
it's-
then what happens?
Ma'am, but it's -3 into 0 into 0 and into 0. So it would
if
be
A plus B plus C equal to 0, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि A 0 है, B 0 है, C 0 है. A, B, C can have values.
Oh yeah.
Just that if you add them up, तभी they're equal to 0.
Yeah.
So this
then
I
the
can
values
also
can
write
be
it
different.
as
2 plus 2 plus minus. 2 plus 2 plus minus 4.
yeah. So if I take minus 3ABC to the other side, what will it be?
Plus 3ABC.
3ABC. Basically,
Yeah.
what I got is A cube plus B cube plus C cube will be equal to 3ABC. So that's what this identity says.
That's what I was thinking, but I was confused.
You should have just said it.
That's exactly what I was thinking. So if that minus this is 0, then of course this plus this plus
Yeah.
this is minus.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm
Absolutely.
still confused.
See,
Same,
Samrit,
same.
okay. The identity you're clear with, right? The identity says that A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus
Yeah.
C. is equal to this whole thing. Basically, if you multiply a plus b plus c by that whole thing, square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So if you multiply this whole thing, basically you'll get a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, right? So I took numbers like ABC can be any numbers. I took specifically numbers such that when you add them, you get 0. Like Swayam said, 2 plus 2 plus minus 4. They get cancelled out, they become equal to 0. In that case, it is RHS may I basically get this 0 into this whole thing, which is essentially equal to 0, right? So basically I got a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. Uske baad I just rearranged it. So minus 3abc jo hai, from LHS I took it to the RHS. That's all I did.
Ma'am, so it would be like a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc, right?
Yes.
So we can, so how do we get the values then?
This is just an identity. This is just an identity. This is
Oh,
just
yeah.
a formula. So this is special. Like this is true only if you have ABC such that a plus b plus c equal to 0.
0.
So like questions you will get, you'll just be given like exam mein an example. You'll just be asked calculate the value of 1.2 cube plus 0.8 cube minus 2 cube. So is there an easy way that you can calculate this? Like instead of having to find what is 12 cube, फिर उसको decimal value apply करके, फिर 0.8 like 8 cube निकाल के, फिर 2 cube निकाल के, that वो बहुत ही लंबा हो रहा है ना? So
You
instead,
can find out if the sum is 0 and then
Yes.
use this method.
yeah, exactly. Like that is the reason this identity exists. Like it makes these kind of calculations easier. Okay, so is there sum equal to 0? Check 1.2 plus 0.8 minus 2. कितना हो रहा है?
0.
It's 0.
0 आ रहा है ना? So basically ये cube का value क्या होगा फिर? If you were to calculate it, if you apply this identity.
Ma'am, it would be 1.2 cube plus 0.8 cube plus 2 cube equals
Minus
to
2 cube. Minus है इधर. If I take plus फिर ये value 0 नहीं होगा तो apply नहीं कर सकते. So be careful. Take care of your signs.
okay. Ma'am, I thought because in the identity is plus c square, c cube, so.
Plus c cube. So essentially this is plus minus 2 ka cube. Basically like that. You interpret it like that.
Yes, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 3 into bracket 1.2 into 0.8 into 2.
Into 2 or minus 2?
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Oh, yeah.
So a cube
Minus
plus c
2.
cube है ना? तुम्हारा c का value minus 2 है. So you need to take that minus 2. So,
Minus 2. Okay.
so instead of having to do 3 different multiplications, you can and like adding them up. You just do like a single multiplication and you're done. That's basically it.
I understood it now. Like when you just gave an example, I understood that way. Like I didn't understand in the identity way.
Yeah. So with using numbers, yeah, if this is one application of it, sometimes when you're doing like complex calculations, like if you're, let's say, doing some physics derivation or trigonometry mein kuch apply kar rahe ho, and you end up with a situation where a plus b plus c equal to 0, and calculate karte, if you come across a cube plus b cube plus c cube, then you can, without thinking, you can substitute it with 3abc because of this identity. So all of these identities basically exist to make your life easier. Think of them as your toolkit to make your calculations and things like that easier. Gotta treat them that way. Okay. So all of these are basically like that. Okay. So yeah, these are the kind of problems you will get. You'll be just asked to calculate something cube plus something cube plus something cube. So if the sum is 0, then you know that you can apply this identity like that. And these identities you will mostly get in like factorize wale problems. So you'll be asked to factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube. Then you have to identify that, oh, it's of the form a cube plus b cube. Like 8x cube is basically 2x ka whole cube. 27y cube is 3y ka whole cube. Then a is 2x, b is 3y. So uske basis pe you can this thing. So half the difficulty, I would say, or half the thing with identity based questions is figuring out which identity fits in that situation. So once you figure out which identity it is, and then you just have to remember the identity and you can apply it easily like that.
Ma'am, so like what do we write here? It's so much to write. Like what exactly do we write?
Write down whatever is written here. Like write down this whole part, the blue color mein jo bhi likha hai. If you want, yeah, like Swayam, you said it helped you understand better, right? So you can make a note of this example also. But the main thing is, yeah, note down whatever is written in blue, like these identities.
Yeah.
And if you want, yeah, you can note down the example to help you understand better.
Okay, ma'am.
Yep. So let me know when you've noted it down, and then we'll start with the practice. We'll do the problems.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Yeah. Right. What about you? Sujal, Samriddhi, Ashka, Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to? Okay, Sujal said 1 second. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Done. Okay. All right. So everyone's ready to tackle questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So remainder theorem, factor theorem, we did that yesterday. Yeah, factorization problem. Like, okay, these problems I hadn't given because factorize by splitting the middle term using factor theorem. Find the factors. Look at this. So factorize the following using suitable identities. Look at number 37. So the first one, 4y square plus 4xy plus x square, which identity will fit? Which identity will you use for this, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, a square plus b square. A square plus b square.
A square plus b square तो कोई identity नहीं है.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, a plus b whole square. Sorry.
A plus b whole square. Awesome. So in that context, what is a and what is b?
Ma'am, A is 4y and X is B.
So if you're saying A is 4y and B is X, तो A square का मतलब 4y the whole square. अगर ये करूँ तो मुझे 16y square मिल रहा है ना, तो यहाँ पे 4y square ही है. It's not fitting. What should be the value of A?
Ma'am, then the value of A is 4y square.
Lekin if you have to fit it, like basically this is the identity you said, right? A plus B the whole
Yes,
square
ma'am.
is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So in that case, B square X square ठीक है, it's fitting. A का value क्या होना चाहिए? Your A square is 4y square. तो A का value क्या होगा? Like किसको
Ma'am,
square करने पे you will get 4y square.
ma'am, 2.
2, just 2.
Ma'am, 2y.
2y, yes. Okay. Yeah, so don't just jump onto it. 2y whole square करने पे you get 4y square. इसका मतलब the value of A is 2y. It won't be like 4y. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Silly mistakes. Like don't just jump to the first thought that you get. Like just be a little careful there. Okay. Ashka got it. Yes. The second one. Swayam, which identity will you use for this to factorize it? Swayam, are you there? या फिर से कोई माइक का प्रॉब्लम है क्या? Yes, Ashka, correct. तो फैक्टराइज करके फाइनल आंसर बताओ मुझे, like the rest of you. So like if this is a plus b whole square, write it as 2y plus x the whole square and send it. That's it. ठीक है. So factorize करके like apply करके फाइनल आंसर बताओ. स्वयं, नो आई कैन नॉट हियर यू स्वयं. फिर से अगेन सेम प्रॉब्लम आया है शायद माइक का. Awesome. Ashka got it. So I'm just rejoin or like reconnect your mic again. Can't hear you. So in the meantime, Aryan, tell me which identity or no, like when you factorize it, what answer will you get for this?
Is it I think it's a minus b raised to.
Yes, a minus b square. So what are a and what are b? Like if I were to express it.
Ma'am, so a would be 3 bz.
Yes.
And z and b is y.
Plus y minus y.
Ma'am, 100. Minus y.
Minus y whole square. Yes. So Sujal and Samriddhi also had sent it earlier. Yes, you guys are right. Very good. All right. So Ashka, third one. When you factorize it, what will you get?
Yes, ma'am. I sent that to you.
Oh, you already solved it and sent it.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right. You got it. All right, then Sujal, you solve this.
A plus B, A minus B.
Yeah. So what are my A and B? Like what should I write it as here?
Y plus Z by 25.
Z by 25 or something else? Y and like what is B? So this is
Oh, ma'am, Z by 5 because it's squared.
yes, correct. Z by 5. One moment. So Swayam, are you saying something now? You're muted. That's why I can't.
Hello, ma'am. I'm sorry, I was logged out. How many questions have we done?
Just like 37, may like the first three
Can you
simple
explain
ones,
the
like
third
basic
one to me?
identities. Sure, like that's what we are doing right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Swayam, you are on mute. I can see like audio and video both are off here. You can ask to unmute. There you go. So I'll just clear it so you can see it clearly. So Suhani, what identity does this look like?
A square minus B square.
Yes. So what are A and B? Like what should I write here?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me now?
Yes, Swayam, I can hear you. Yes.
Thank God. It's literally the second or third time, I guess,
Yeah.
this is happening. From which sum are we on?
The third part, this one.
Okay.
It is like kind of quiet on your side, so maybe you can leave your mic on, just in case. Oh, you're already muted.
Ma'am, am I supposed to go ahead?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Suhani, go ahead.
Ma'am, I think it is y minus z upon 5.
Yes. And
y plus z upon 5.
y plus z upon a plus b into a minus b, or a minus b into a plus b. Yes. Okay. So z square by 25 hai. So this is b square. So if you want to factorize it into a plus b, a minus b, iska square root lena padega. That is a place where a lot of you were getting confused earlier. 4y square and this one and all. Just 38, just identify the give me the answer. Factorize it by using identity. So figure out which identity, then like put the correct value for A, B, and C, and then send the answer. So 4a squared plus 9b squared plus 16c squared. Here you need to be careful. Plus 12ab, minus 24bc, and minus 16ac. So all of you work it out in your copy. Send me the answer over chat. In the meantime, Swayam, do you want to work this out on mic?
Ma'am, I'll write it and type the answer to you. Rather.
Okay. Yeah. Who wants to do it on the mic? Who wants to do it live? Ashka, do you want to solve this one?
Ma'am, I know the identity, but I'm still solving it with signs and everything.
Okay, perfectly fine. Like you can do it on the mic. So which identity is it?
A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square.
Yes.
And plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CF.
Yeah. So whenever you're solving, like once you got the identity, right, it helps to write down, like, that this is of the form A square, B square, C square. This is 2AB, this is 2BC, this is 2AC. If this is A square, and a square is like 4a square.
I think a square and b square are negative, and c square is like 4a and 9b are in negative.
Okay. Yeah, that's perfectly valid answer. That is the right answer. But what are a and b? They are for sure not going to be 4a and 9.
Yes, ma'am. A is 2a, b is 3b, and c is 4c.
Awesome. And yeah, Swayam got it. Very good. So one thing, Ashka, you mentioned is these two are negative and these three are positive, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Iska square.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
perfectly right, valid answer. The answer Swayam gave was 2a plus 3b minus 4c ka whole square. Now both of these are equivalent to each other. Can anyone reason why? Can anyone figure out why?
Ma'am, because if you add them or subtract them, they make up 0.
No, that is not the answer, Sujal. Like, no. If I add them and they are equal to 0, तो फिर equal नहीं होना चाहिए ना? Like 2 is not equal to minus 2. So that is not the answer. But you're kind of close to the logic.
Oh, ma'am, like the square is 1 in both of them.
Square is, like
L
basically when you square
from the
both of
whole
them,
square.
yeah, you'll get the same value. So basically the logic behind, why are both valid answers is, if I multiply this by minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 2a, I get plus 2a. Minus 1 into minus 3b, I get plus 3b. Minus 1 into plus 4c, I get minus 4c. And minus 1 ka square is basically equal to 1, right? So essentially, when you square both of them, I get the same answer. That's why both of these are valid answers. Like, it's like saying, if I take square root of 4, this can be plus 2 or minus 2, because minus 2 ka square bhi 4 hai or plus 2 ka square bhi 4 hai. So it's like saying, okay, 4 ka, square root nikalne pe, plus 2 is also a valid answer, minus 2 is also a valid answer. So that way, one is like the negative of the other. That's why both are valid. Yeah.
Ma'am, I got the same answer, but my signs are different. It's positive 2a minus 3b minus 4c. So is it also correct?
Now that is wrong, because you said positive 2a minus 3b minus 4c, right?
Yes,
According to this, if I multiply 3b and 4c, like agar ye dono terms multiply kiya maine, तो overall I should get positive. लेकिन यहाँ पे
Yes.
BC वाला term is negative, getting minus 24 BC. तो इसलिए गलत. But
Okay,
these two are correct, because अगर इसको square करो तो भी you'll get whatever is given here. If you square this, again you'll get the same thing here. So both are correct. It's not random. So these are exact opposites of each other. So इसलिए it's accepted. Okay, next. So look at 40, it's again the same thing. Factorize the expressions, matlab, again, identify the identity and do the proper thing with that. These factorizations, whenever you just get factorize and you get like something like this, right? One, see if it fits any identity. If it does not fit identity, if it's not like a perfect square, then yeah, you have to use splitting the middle term. Okay. Like the first one, you have 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. It's not fitting a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Like this is an odd number. So identity fit nahi hoga. So that gives you a clue ki okay, I have to use splitting the middle term. So that's how you use your judgment to do it. Factorize questions. Okay, some more complicated ones. How will you factorize this problem? Look at number 7. So x into x minus y the whole cube plus 3x square y into x minus y.
Now we will expand the x minus y the whole cube bracket.
No. So that's where the thing is, like whenever you see factorize, no, factorize is basically product जो है उसको multiplication format में लाना पड़ेगा. Like earlier you had the expanded form and then you converted that into 2a plus 3b minus 4c the whole square, like that, right? You shortened it. So simplify, then you have to expand the brackets. If the question says factorize, you need to make it simpler. So factorize may, you need to figure out what the factors are. So in these kind of situations, your first step is to identify if you can take anything common. So can you take anything common from this expression and this expression?
Ma'am, x minus y.
Very good. Yes. So x minus y is common in both. So if I take them out, तो अंदर क्या बचा है? So यहाँ से एक x minus y निकाल दिया. So what is remaining?
X into x minus y square.
X into x
plus 3x square y.
Plus 3x square y. Anything else? Anything more that you can take common? So you can see x also is multiplied in both the cases, no? यहाँ पे भी x है, यहाँ पे x square है. So that also you can take common, right? So take x also common. So यहाँ पे that is left out. All right, Swaya.
So, ma'am, we have taken the x out, but why haven't we taken 3x square y?
Because 3x square y is not present in both the expressions. Only x is there. So I can take only x out. So I'm just taking whatever is common to both. So x square tha, since I've already taken one x, this has only become x. Abhi x square nahi hai. Like that. Okay, so that's what you do. So it's x into x minus y into this particular thing. Can you, again, this, you can either leave it as it is or you can expand this and see what this happens. So I've already taken x into x minus y. And then let me expand this and see. X minus y whole square, if I expand, what will I get?
Is x square plus y square minus 2xy.
Minus 2xy. And then yahan pe I have a plus 3xy. Now, does this look familiar to you? Actually, let me simplify this further. Minus 2xy plus 3xy kya hoga?
xy.
It'll
Positive
become,
x.
yeah, simply xy. Plus xy. So now does this look familiar to you anyway?
Ma'am, it's the RHS of the identity a minus b whole cube.
Is it a minus b whole cube or is it something else? Which identity does it look like?
Ma'am, a minus b whole cube.
Is Samriddhi right or wrong? Like, does anyone agree or disagree with her?
Ma'am, I can't see it right now.
Not able to see? Oh, you just. What about now?
Yes.
Mom, a cube minus b cube.
Nice. Yes. So this looks like a cube minus b cube, not a minus b whole cube. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So either you can express it like that, but it said factorize, right? So it's better to leave it in the form of as many factors as possible. So just leave it like this. But yeah. So this is kind of how you use identities. And yeah. So whenever you come across questions that say factorize, you need to express it as multiplication of different expressions. You're like figuring out what the factors are. So your first aim is to see, okay, one, can I take things common? And after you take things common, then see if you can apply any identity to it. Yeah. Like for example, like a simpler version of it, look at number 4. So you have 3a cube b minus 243ab cube. So what will your first step be? Like, how will you approach this? Anyone, whoever has any idea can like speak up.
Ma'am will take out the
Take 3ab out.
3 and और क्या है common दोनों में?
ab.
ab. So अगर 3ab common दिया तो what will be left यहाँ पे?
ma'am
a square minus
a square.
b square.
Yes. So a square because a cube b है ना, उसमें से b निकाल दिया, 3 निकाल दिया, a cube में से a निकाल दिया, मतलब you'll be left with a square. Because when you multiply it, you need to get this back. So that's your check. Okay, a square minus
81
81
b square.
b square. Now, okay, you've taken out whatever you can common out of it. Now, can you apply any identity here?
Can we apply a square minus b square?
Absolutely. It looks like it. Does it fit? A square is straightforward a square. Now, is this the square of something?
9.
9.
Just 9?
9b.
9b. 81b square bhi hai na? 9b. Yeah. So then you can apply it. A plus 9b into a minus 9b. So this will be your final answer of the factorization. Okay. So that's how you approach these kind of problems. That's how you solve these kind of problems. Okay. All right. Find the product. Okay, another type of problems you'll come across using identities is things like this. Evaluate 105 into 106 without direct multiplication. So how will you do these kind of problems? So you have to check. Identities exist to make your life easier. So see what identity you can use to make this multiplication easier.
X plus a into x plus b.
Okay. So what are your x, a, and b? Like, what can I write this as?
X is 100.
Okay.
A is 5 and b is 6.
Okay. So I'm writing it as 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6.
100 plus 6.
Okay. So how does it make your simplification easier? तो इसके बाद क्या करोगे?
Mom, it is equal to 100 square plus 5 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 6.
Plus 5 into 6. Now, these numbers are like easy to add, subtract, multiply. It's much easier to simplify this than sit and multiply 105 and 106, right? So that's the intent, like that's how you use it. So the whole of 45, like it's similar lines, same thing. You have to figure out which identity is usable in this case and use that. Which identity will you use for the third part, Sujal? 104 into 96.
A plus B, A minus B.
Okay, so what are your A and B?
A is 100 and B is 4.
Awesome. So 104, you can write it as 100 plus 4. And 96, you write it as 100 minus 4. Yes. Okay. Easy to calculate 100 square and 4 square instead of this multiplication. Yeah. Okay. And there is one more type of problem based on identities. So these are like one set. So one, you have factorization based problems. Two, you have calculation based problems. And three, another type of problems you have is, look at question number 49. If x upon y plus y upon x is equal to -1, then find the value of x cube minus y cube. Oh, x cube minus y cube. Okay, yeah, this is easy. Yeah. How will you do this problem? Like, how will you approach this? So look at what you're given. So you're given that x upon y plus y upon x is equal to -1, right? So if I simplify this, what will I get? इसको simplify करने में, like simplify LHS, the only thing you can do since you have fractions is take LCM. तो लेने पे क्या होगा? What? दोनों का LCM क्या होगा? X and Y.
XY.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah, XY will be the LCM, X into Y. Then numerator में
X plus Y plus Y plus X.
Q. X plus Y Q है.
Oh, XY, sorry.
See, this is X upon Y. LCM is X into Y. The numerator will just be X square.
Oh, X square. Yeah.
And यहाँ पे in place of Y, because you're multiplying by Y, इसलिए denominator में XY आया ना, तो numerator में you'll get Y square. Okay, so that will be equal to -1. So if I simplify this, I get x square plus y square is equal to minus xy. Matlab x square plus y square, if I transpose this, plus xy will be equal to 0. Okay, so this is one expression that we got. Now we have to find x cube plus y cube. Now you know nothing about x cube minus y. You know nothing about what is x or what is y, right? So expand this using the identity. So what will you get in the expansion?
X minus Y bracket. X square plus Y square plus XY.
Plus xy. Okay. But using the given expression only, you found out that x square plus y square plus xy is equal to 0. Iska matlab, what will be the value of this whole multiplication?
X minus Y. No, 0. Sorry.
So it's x minus y into 0. Now, why is this 0? Based on what we calculated over here. X square plus y square plus xy is equal to 0. So anything into 0 is 0. So this whole thing will be equal to 0. Okay. So that's the kind of, like, that's how you use the identity. Like, because you know this identity, you got a clue that, oh, this value is 0. Okay. using identity calculation है, factorization. ठीक है. So let's like practice direct questions based on identity. And then there's like one more type of problem. I'll see if we get okay. So if we get, you know, another revision session or something like that, I'll practice those kinds of problems with you guys. Let's get used to identities first. Revise the identities. And yeah, I'll send the homework. So yesterday's homework, I updated it today morning. So yesterday's and today's milake, you can do it over today and tomorrow, submit it by tomorrow night, okay, before Saturday morning. Aryan, in case you're going to take some time, no, just message on the group by when you'll be able to submit it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've not done yesterday's homework too because of the shifting. So, ma'am, I think I would finish it by Sunday or Saturday, ma'am.
Acha.